Okay, today's Tuesday, May 23rd, and I will be putting my Concept 12.0D up for sale on eBay. You'll see there's a couple of little scratches here on the front of it, and a couple over here. There's a little bit of a rub area on the glass up front here. A little spot on the top cover. And a little rub area here on the back of it. But all in all, the cabinet is in really nice condition. Front of it looks sharp. So let's turn it on and see what it can do. Okay. I have two sets of speakers hooked into it. I have two CD players hooked into it, and also a turntable hooked into it to demonstrate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and switch from the clock to the FM indicator, and I'll go through the program stations.
We're working on it. Right. And now during the Memorial Day sales, 40% on best recliners.
Okay, and then the auto tune. And you can manually tune it as well. Okay, so you get the idea about how the FM works. Let's go ahead and try out the phono. So I have Jane's Addiction for your listening pleasure. So that's B speakers, B plus C. C speakers, B plus C. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and switch to tape 1, and I'm going to put on Coldplay. This one literally rattles the walls in here and the windows. Anyways, don't even have to crank it up. Right channel, left channel, bass, treble, bass, defeat. There's a little static in that switch. You can hear it. Right channel, left channel. Okay. I'm going to try the tape 2, and I have the back keys here. Right channel, left channel, loudness. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for looking.